so she feeling mad.
Like, I'm not alright. This flu is 3 days.
When are you gonna
3 to 4 days.
Say flu is 3 to 4 days, what?
If my flu is kicking like more 20 days.
If his flu is kicking in like 20 days?
You can go test.
And so I'm making a test.
Okay, let's go again. Whoa. Hold up. Microwave boys, we're back in there. So check it out, I go by the name of Larry Ngabazube, aka Larry Giants. And I'm here.
Two bitches for the split. Two sagalicious for the bitches.
You know, actually somebody was asked today, is like, if your name was to have sound like a Shoma Jones, like an OK Maluk King,
yeah,
what would that version of your name be? And I went with Sheba Tunkisipo. That'd be my name. Sheba Tunkisipo. I'd be the artist.
That'd be so dope, though.
I like it.
Sheba Tunkisipo. Every time you say it, I come through. Sheba Tunkisipo.
That'd be. Wow, it's Paga.
EP29 in this part.
I was Chinese Paga. You can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these are raper, these is blood new shoes. These are get them from the.
You say these are Monday shoes.
Right, but nigga, also think it comfortable.
How does he know?
I don't think
Yeah, see it in front of the mirror, boy. See it in front of the mirror.
If you try to do.
Hey, mom is calling outside. You have to go to school that time. Paga!
Little bitch, you can fuck with me.
You can fuck with me. Yeah? Fuck you, man. No, mama, I just give fuck you, man. Yeah, he said fuck again. No, man, give me a little bitch. Yeah. Who's the bitch? Come on, bitch.
If you want.
No, mama, I was in the mirror, so.
These expensive.
These are Monday shoes. Monday, come on. No, mama, they don't say Monday. Who are you correcting?
What?
You ever got a beating on top of beatings?
Yeah.
Beating, you start getting a new beating.
Yeah.
The beating is
It's
one
like
day.
you see one
Why
time.
did you break that glass? No, excuse, I was going to get Fanta. You want more Fanta? I told you that's enough Fanta for today. Excuse you. Okay, I didn't really want Fanta, so you're just going to drink your Fanta for fun. You didn't even want the Fanta.
I call it crying.
Beating
What are you
inception.
crying? Ukalelan.
Little bitch,
you wanted to. Okay, so this Tokoloshe right here, this guy here, this dark skinned guy.
Tokoloshe, hey.
When this Tokoloshe shows up, what do you say?
Some Daily Sun news, they got the picture. You know, Daily Sun always gets the guy.
This is not from Daily Sun, this is Mozambique, bro.
Yeah, but I'm saying, you know, Daily Sun gets the picture as well.
Yeah.
We get the picture of the guy doing the crime.
Yeah. It's not like they stop him, like,
They make him wait on the fence like this. Wait, we're going to take a picture. Tawa, take the picture.
Yeah, okay. Let's say this was like a regular guy, right?
What?
And you found out a regular guy, right?
Tequila.
Regular. Yeah, regular, you know. And you found out he chewed your hands. And going back.
How?
Even if you're super in love.
No, just. What? Please, man. It's like a weave. Have you seen that weave before? I've seen that weave like on my car or something.
Aibo!
That weave, guys.
That's what happens to girls when they don't change the shits.
And it becomes a helmet.
Yeah, you need to change the shits,
Looks
guys.
like a 14.
But apparently niggas with dreadlocks also spill your.
And when you're on top of a hand, you just bring this to her face. Hey, man, give me a chance.
Whoa!
That's Jabu Stone in my fucking eye.
Hop out the 4-door with the 440 was 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chilling in the corridor. Your dad is 44, and he's still calling man for a draw. Let him know, when I see him, I'm gonna spin his jaw. Take man Twix by force, send man shot by force. Your girl knows I've got the sauce. No ketchup, just sauce. Raw sauce. Boom, yo, God. The thing goes skrrrr. skitty kid pop pop, and the poop poop boom boom. Skia, boom 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 boom. You done know, big shack. You get me? Man's not hot. I tell him man's not hot. I tell him man's not hot. The girl told me take off your jacket. I said babes, man's not hot.
Jackets.
Monster hot.
Reminds me of a South African rapper.
What do you mean? Which one?
Not doing it. Swear to God. Swear to God.
Let it go, bro.
I don't want to get pop.
With a brrr ting. It go boom, boom, boom.
Nope. I love English rappers, bro. This guy
Broad
said
daylight.
nothing, but he said everything.
What's his name?
DJ Quakes or something like that, but apparently it's a parody. But I don't want to hear that. I want to hear that this guy's a real guy. He's a real life artist, because that's like probably the biggest song in the world right now.
Your people don't know how to spend money.
Your people, you see what they're doing.
They gave this poor girl 14 million rand by mistake.
Jonga.
That's it. It's young.
Yeah, your people.
14 million.
Jonga, Eva.
14 million. From 1.4. Maybe you get that image. Can't book it.
Yeah, I can't do it.
Get that boys. Wash your face and look
Yeah, I love that, but I'm doing.
Hey.
We are ATM in
Oh, that's him, seven. At the phone, put man. Check balance.
Yeah. Is it the written 14? Like, is a million or written?
It's like lots of zeros, bro. It's not a number you're ever going to see, but it's okay.
Take. Probably should have withdraw the 1.4 first, eh? The one that she was meant for her. 1.4 withdraw. Yeah, okay, sharp. Save. Closer, sorted. Then she went again. 1.4. And then it came out again.
I know.
Okay.
I know what it's doing.
Where are we now? 2.8. Okay, closer. Even cheese this month, yeah.
They call.
Yeah, Boomer cheese, yeah, Boomer bacon, yeah, Boomer Kellogg's, yeah, Boomer. Sazo Bamnan. Then she went another 1.4. After that, she said,
Can't even color.
This girl received 14 million from the NSFU.
That's fast.
That's fast. NASFS.
Just making up your own new fund. If you guys want some money, hit up Larry's new.
That's fast.
She woke up with 14 million in her bank account, and this girl went on a spending spree and spent like 818,000 of this money.
My man, this girl didn't do enough. Outbounds.
To where?
You think I'm still showing up to stats? Hey, show me Monday, what's the class? Yeah, no, it's not stats. You think I'm showing up to motherfucking stats? Well, I have 14 million in my motherfucking account. I'm walking into stats class and be like, I just came here to say, fuck everyone in here.
I would cack in the.
I'm out this fake ass stats bitch. I'm out. And then now 1.4 in. Tag! I think this money wasn't a mistake. This money was meant for somebody else. It just so happened to land at our girl.
Yeah.
All they need to do is investigate who else has the same type of name, same type of account. Somebody fucked up. You know what I'm saying? They're supposed to send this money to somebody else. There's a whole plan of how they're going to embezzle 14 million.
Yeah.
And then she could cut up in between. Now everyone sets back and but you're gonna be the guy who pressed enter. 14 million the wrong account.
Yeah.
Yo. But the people! Yeah. Well, just say we are lunching.
Okay, so this girl posted a picture of her dad. Kumbulekaya vibes.
Yes.
Now she was looking for a dad. Kutwira.
Yes.
2 days later, apparently, that was again.
Apparently they haven't found him like yet, but like
There's leads.
oh, people are helping her, like people are investigating, people are doing like a lot of things.
Great that this girl, hope even us putting her on the show might help to find the dad. Can we get him on the show?
What?
But no, and ask him, yo, dog, what's up, player? And then,
No.
Is this a recent picture?
No, it's a very old picture. It's like the
in terms of Nosy,
what's, are you gonna ask him what?
in terms of Nosy, what's going on? Apparently,
Ladies and
he went
gentlemen.
to buy.
Kumbulekaya host. Yes. Ask more questions.
Apparently, he went to go buy. Baba, Samba, 1983. What you tenga, Umoya, the big Jackie's Tavern. Since Samba, Baba, I Afunekaya. It's been 30 years. Oh, B. So I go to some Dobsonville Extension 3. So you figure out, you know what?
And literally they just drive.
And they sit.
Let's have some food.
Shoot the camera, Masam.
Yeah.
This social.
No, but it's dope. Like, you know.
I hope you find it
Shout out.
that.
Yeah, same. Like,
Because why not try different avenues? I don't know what else she has tried outside of this. But yeah, it's interesting. Our venue. And it's got like 10,000 retweets or something.
yeah, Ripple Culture Clash. Those of you guys who don't know, it's like a battle between like 4 people, aka with Top Boys, DJ Tira, Devin Massacre, part of the ranking with Red Hot. Such a terrible name. Admiral and Justy with African Storm.
Yo, I need Devin Messick. Actually, go.
And on the 23rd of September at the London Stadium.
Who you going with? I think I'm vibing with maybe like AKA and Top Boys.
Okay.
Tira.
I'm gonna go with the up in the streets, they call it murder.
You know what? I'm actually
Boom, 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 boom.
a lot of people enjoy this part.
You love this part.
Yeah, it's great. It's great. It's like every part of Microwave Boys is awesome.
Awesome.
I get to just do it with you guys.
Awesome.
You know what I mean? Don't you enjoy every single part of Microwave Boys?
Yeah, I do that.
So then, okay, Honey of the Week goes to Latte _Zomo.
Silver.
Yeah, Kanye Zomo.
Immediately on the right. Don't even play with me. Mama way.
It was a birthday
Belated.
recently. It was a birthday recently. Happy belated Latte. Nah, I hope you had a great birthday. I don't know why you didn't invite me to the Microwave Boys. Lasan, did you get an invite?
It's okay.
Did you go? That's terrible.
I think
We
you're
don't
better
know.
than handsome, Sean.
Yeah, we didn't get an invite at all. Think you're amazingly beautiful. Here's a picture of her
Fucking asshole.
dancing in front of a saxophone. A sex.
Fuck you.
It's a sex. It's a sex dancing in front of a saxophone.
Yeah, the saxophone is behind her.
A sex in
She's
front
enjoying
of.
it from the
You
back.
should have made the caption a sex in front of a sex.
Time to throw a party. Oh, there he is.
Damn hot.
I'm
Actually hot.
What?
But she applied to Pumla and
What
then she
does
let
it-
my nigga Larry just go with all of his life. That's not nice. At least say thanks.
Hey!
At least say thanks, Pumla. Say thanks to Pumla.
Make sure you follow Latte _Dromo.
Is this a
It was
week
also
or
her
something?
birthday. Wish her a happy belated. She switches up her hairstyles a lot. Anyway, that's it from us.
Backaway Boys, episode 29.
Yeah.
We're about to go on production break. I'm going to say
Yes.
that very loud and clear. Episode 30, we're going to do what needs to be did. And then before it gets undone, we're going to make sure that it goes dead.
Yeah, I see what you did. Yeah.
Cool. So after we give you that, guys, we're going to go on production break. She's going to leave, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna go on a production
Maternity
break.
leave, you know, Paga told you
Yeah, like
guys
a
is
good 3
expecting.
weeks. Maybe like 3 weeks without Microwave Boys, but we will be coming up
Paga's
with
expecting
content.
some sense.
Look
Oh,
out!
got it.
Wait, look out for Capsule Fest.
Oh, I'm excited.
16th of September, we're gonna be hosting.
Club
We're
it
gonna-
really down.
We're gonna drop a documentary on that. It's gonna be like a little short film. It's gonna be lit as fuck. Also
Mary
make-
Fitzgerald, go get your tickets.
Mary Fitzgerald.
Mary.
This one.
Opie,
Opie Kopi, we're gonna be out there as well. Look
shout out
for
to
our short
Homecoming
film for that.
Picnic and Until
Yes, we're out
and
there.
Next Door.
Scary.
That'll be happening from the 3rd of October.
YFM
We're
every
gonna be in there
Saturday.
like swimwear once again.
YFM every Saturday, 4 to 5 p.m. on the pregame.
DJ intro.
We're sorry we didn't make it last week. You know, it was a bit of a what, but we in there like what.
And most importantly, follow me on Twitter at Spaga _.
That's not the most
N.
important.
I gotta slow down with the followers. It's getting out of hand.
Yeah.
You guys created this monster.
Yeah.
Sipo _
Follow us,
Snaps on Instagram. Follow at Microwave Boys across all social media platforms.
And that is it for today. Thank you so
sorry, I'm
much.
not done. Me, Larry Johnson.
Finish.
On
Man's not
all
hot.
social, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. And then follow us on Microwave Boys. There is no fucking way you're gonna leave me right now. Okay, make sure you follow our Hottie of the Week. Follow all of our Hotties of the Week. Track back to the old episodes. We're going on production break. Don't miss us. Spaga is going to come out with a talk show. You know what I mean? It's going to be hit and fuck. I'm coming out with a show myself. You know what I mean? Sipo. Anyway, it's out. Microwave Boys. I know you guys are waiting for the song at the end of the show because we bumped the best tracks. So yeah.
Sipo said,